In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your profile picture on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads. After that, go to your profile. Tap at Edit Profile, and then tap at your profile picture, and in that pop-up we can choose one of three options. The first one is choose from library. I recommend you to use that option. If we tap on it, it will open up our camera roll, and then from here we can choose any picture. After that, we can resize it a bit, hit Add Choose, and that will automatically change our profile picture.